Alright, good day everybody and welcome back to mathematics class with teacher Matthew. Today we're going to take a look at lesson 12.2 using the distributive property with two-digit numbers using partial products. Now let's take a look at the warm-up. Kim is packing cans on shelf. He puts one can in each square. How can he figure out the number of cans he will pack? We can use the rows, counting how many here, down, and how many across. So how can you figure out the total number of cans you will pack? Do you think there are more than 100 squares? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rows of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. So for sure it's more than 100. It's not up to 100 because so length is 15 square each, 6 width, so therefore it's going to be 6 times 10 is 60. 60 plus 6 times 5, that is 30. So altogether will be 90. So that will be 90 squares. So it's not up to 100 squares. So let's take a look at Mario's strategy. Mario drew this grid to help. He split 15 into tens and ones. Then multiply 6 times 10 and 6 times 5. So you can split a rectangle into parts to find the partial products. This is what we call partial products. So how could you use the strategy to calculate 3 times 28? Okay. So the panda answer, 3 times 20 is 60 and 3 times 8 is 24. So put these partial products together to calculate the total. So that means 60 plus 24, we get the product of 3 times 28. Now let's take a look at the workout. So we're going to figure out 6 times 3 times 16. So we can split 16 into 10 and 6. So 3 times 10 is 30. 3 times 6 is 18. 30 plus 18 will give us 48. Now 5 times 13. 5 times 13, we can split the 13 into 10 and 3. So 5 times 10 will be 50. 5 times 3 is 15. Altogether will be 65. You can pause the video and write it down, then continue watching the video. Now let's go to workout number 2. Number 2, draw a line to split each rectangle into parts that are easy for you to multiply. Then calculate the total number of squares. Make an estimate to check each total. So 4 times 14. So 4 times 10 is 40. 4 times 4 is 16. 40 plus 16 will be 56. So we can split it here. And we split it, then we have 10 and 4. And that will give us 56. Now part B, we can split the 15 into 10 and 5. So we have 10 here and 5. 5 times 10 is 50. 5 times 5, 25. 50 plus 25 will be 75. Part C, let's split into 10 and 3. Seven times 10 is 70. 7 times 3 is 21. 70 plus 21 will be 91. Part D, split the 13 into 10 and 3. Then we have 60 plus 80. That will be 78. Part E, split the 23 to 20 and 3. Then we have 100 plus 15. 100 plus 15 will be 115. There you have it. Write it down in your book. And we'll go on to the fast finishers. Now, Pim's garden is 19 square meters long and 5 square meters wide. How many squares does our garden occupy in total? So that will be 95. So we have a square like this. I mean a rectangle, not a square. So to depict the garden, Pim's garden. So split it into 10 and 9. And this will be 5. 5 times 10 is 50. 5 times 9 is 45. 50 plus 45 will give us 95. Now, okay, so for part for part 1A, 3 times 14, we look for 3 times 10, 30, 3 times 4, 12. Add together will give us 42. Part B, 4 times 15, we look for 4 times 10, which is 40. 4 times 5, 20. Add up together will be 60. Now part 2A, we draw the line. So we have 5 and 10 and 4. So 5 times 10 is 50, 5 times 4, 20. Altogether, will give us 70. Part B, we draw the line. And this is 6. And this is 10. And this is 3. So 6 times 10, 60, 6 times 3, 18. Altogether will be 78. Number 3. Split each rectangle into parts, then calculate the area. Four times 8 is 32. 32 plus 40. That will give us 72. Part B. We split the rectangle as well. So we have 10 and 2. 6 times 10 is 60. 6 times 2, 12. Altogether will be 72. Part C. Split it. We've got 10 and 2. 9 times 10 is 90. 9 times 2 is 18. Altogether will be 108. Part D. Split into 10 and 4. 7 times 4, 28. Add together with 70 will be 98. That's all we have for today. See you in the next class and have a beautiful day.